roll waffles and fried chicken on the menu today. Let's get started. Alright, so we got our chicken right there. I've got that sazon seasoning already on it, so in case you're wondering why it's that color, I'm showing you what I put on it. Now we're going to use chicken seasoning, pollo asado seasoning. You can use any kind of seasoning you want to, any kind of seasoned salt. So that's my salt for today, chicken seasoning. I'm still going to add some other seasonings too. Anyway, I put some of that seasoned salt in the flour, so make sure you put some to about 2 tablespoons, and that's about 4 cups of flour. So now I'm just going to sprinkle some on the chicken on both sides. Don't do one side. You're going to have one-sided chicken. One side going to taste good and the other side going to be bland as hell. So make sure you season both sides of your chicken. I can't stress that enough. Alright, that's some onion powder. Alright, keep in mind that you can use your favorite seasonings on your chicken. So you can use the seasonings I'm using. You can add to it, take away. You can do whatever you want to do, however you like your chicken. Alright, let's put some garlic powder on. Alright, seems like it might be pretty bland, but trust me, it's not. That sazon seasoning, I left that on for about 6 or 7 hours. So the flavor is going to, it's going to help with flavoring the chicken. You'll find out if you do that, you have some really, really good chicken. Now just rub your seasonings in really good into the chicken. Get them in there, baby. Yeah, massage them in there, pat them in there, whatever you have to do. Let's get our chicken pieces in the flour. Alright, I've got 2 thighs, 2 legs, and 2 wings. No breast today. Alright, this is what it looks like when it's in the pot already frying. Make sure your oil is at least 350, 375 degrees. And if not, you figure out a way to test it and you'll be okay. Just make sure it's hot and ready. Alright. That's going to go for about 12 to 18 minutes because of those thighs, and then this is where we're going after they're ready. You can see I have them out already right there. We're going on to the waffles next. Now, the good thing about this is you don't have to mix any batter for the waffles. You buy those regular cinnamon rolls out of the store. So you can buy Pillsbury, you can buy whatever brand you want to buy, but it needs to come out of that refrigerated section where the biscuits are, right from over there. You get these and then put 2 of them together in like an oval shape, just like I'm doing. Alright, so you separate them, move it one down a little bit, and then you just pat them. So you're going to get an oval-shaped piece of dough right here. A good piece of dough, might I add. A sweet piece. Yes. Alright, see that shape? And the 2 put together so you can see how I did it. Flattened it out a little bit. Don't flatten it out too much. But that does depend on the size of your waffle maker. So you'll see when I open this one up how it goes. These go from anywhere. You wouldn't believe it. Don't go over 2.5 minutes with these. You will burn them. If they're in there 3 minutes, I guarantee you they're going to be very dark. Don't do it. So you want to time it. If you want to lift your waffle, the top up off that waffle iron, you do that. That waffle maker. You do that. You take a look. You know, I always say that. Watch your food. Take a look if you need to. Get yourself some kind of non-stick spray. And don't forget you'll have that cinnamon roll icing to put on the top, or you can use syrup, either one. But okay, so now when the light turns green on my waffle maker, it's hot and it's ready. So that's what I'm waiting for now. I got my non-stick spray ready. Yes, I'm picking some of the skin off the chicken. It's so good. I'm hungry. That's why you shouldn't cook when you're really hungry like this. I'm picking off the food. I couldn't help it. Stop breaking pieces off, honey, please. I am hungry. And then this waffle iron want to take out, this waffle maker, you want to take all day to warm up just because I am hungry. Alright, here we go, folks, in about 30 seconds. Bear with me right here through this process. Bing, bing, bing. It is ready. Alright, so spray your waffle iron generously. You want to make sure you get your that your waffles come out. You don't want them stuck on there. Alright, just put them right in the center. Alrighty. Close your waffle maker really, really tight. I don't know why I was doing that. Don't ask. Now I'm going to snap it closed. All right. Now we just got to wait. So remember what I said. These are going to go anywhere depending on how hot your waffle maker is. It's going to go anywhere between 1.5 to 2 minutes. They may go 2.5 if you want them a little bit darker. But if you go 3 minutes, you will burn your waffles. And you don't want to do that. So keep that in mind when you're doing it. All right. It's not a long process at all. So there's nothing time consuming. This is an easy recipe. Good for the adults, but it's good for the kids too. All right. Patience, patience, patience. Act like you didn't want to open, please. That looks good. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it like 30 more seconds. Because I don't want them dark. But did you see how they rose? They kind of spread it out over there. So we started off with that little oval shape there. And now we have a big square waffle in there. A whole waffle. How about that? Didn't look like it when you putting it in, when I was putting it in, right? Mm-hmm. All right, out we come. All right, dark enough for me. Look at that. Crispy. Yes, baby, crispy. These are so good. We made them on a holiday before. And we kind of all shared them because we had other desserts and we had this on the menu too. So we kind of shared them. It was nice. Yes, this is good for a crowd. You can cut those in half and people can share it. Put that cream cheese icing on it. Good to go. All right. Always when you have a crowd of people too, you always have that one person, they just don't mind doing this for you. So they don't mind coming over and making something. Look at that. Nice and golden brown cinnamon roll waffles. Thumb up. I had to thumb up right there. Yes. Ooh-wee. Delish, they are so good. And like I said, you can either put the cream cheese icing on there or you can put syrup. So these are not so sweet that they won't be able to take syrup if you put them on there. So you won't get a sugar overload with it for sure. Just try, but try it both ways. Hell, mix it up. Mix the icing and the syrup. Alright, I'm going to let this one go too. Just about another minute, so patience, patience, dearies. I promise you, this mad scientist creation is about to come out. Cinnamon roll waffles. Delicious, baby. Delicious. We're almost at the end, and all we'll have to do is plate. Easy peasy. I told you. I'll come up with the easiest recipes for adults and children. And especially during this time, everybody quarantined in the house. Oh, this is a good one. Easy one, too. I'll pick you up a couple cans of cinnamon rolls at the store. You can use any kind of pieces. You can use boneless chicken, bone-in chicken. So it's our version of chicken and waffles. How about that? Without having to mix the batter up, though. So, good to go. All right. Yes, perfect. Got a nice golden brown on these too. That's just what we needed. Look at that. Looky. All right, looky, Miss Cookie. Let's see what we got. Yes. All right, like I said, all we have to do is plate now. Get them on here nicely. And we'll drizzle some of that cream cheese icing on there. Hey, if you like honey, honey might work. Honey might work on the chicken and the waffles. So I know a lot of people that like honey on their chicken. Alright, look at that. Golden fried chicken and cinnamon roll waffles. Delicious. Alright. I just had to fit all 4 of them on the plate. I had to figure out a way. But plate your food. Sometimes you'll feel better after you cook. Your food tastes so good, but if you plate it, it looks good too. So take your time and plate it. Don't take too long plating though, because you don't want it to get cold. Yeah, see, change that for the picture. But we good to go. But hey, easy recipe, quick. Go make you some. And let me know down in the comment box. Appreciate y'all spending this time with me. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share, and by all means leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.